nigatoka ndasensema Nyaribari chache abwasaba igobo choli bwiga bwakorekana.
Samari tanguru kumheshimiwa Fanis Maneno Nyambane denominated in party ODM katisi no governor ito Paul Simbarati oyole deputy party leader ODM igakero toliga toko korobo cheli obocholi to the blessings cho deputy party leader ya ito ngosebono awayo eto kwa the blessings chiaye no tabet present no nyetabet present the deputy governor naba present appreciating among all the counties sub counties ya Tarire Nyaribari was the most organized government baitu Nyaribari we are leaders. And I promise today that the flow of information from the chair, our Apple chair, it will be coming down to grassroots. That is why we have elections from grassroots back to a branch bonega. Igama Tobaito na the Orange Democratic Party to abaki irembi yamano for such organization so that the party is structured. Igama Tobaito, I wish you all the best candidates bali mwachoru dia dokolegasi asabomo. Thank you.
Fred Onundu akuru Kisi Central Ward Nyanchwa Sub Location Bosongo Location Kiogoro Division Nyaribari Chache Koirari Bageri Kobatebi Onsimbi Yamono Asogo Tuara Imani na Inche na Kabeiro Munyakero Goino na ande Mwatuara Imani Mwangakira Mwenspi na ande Mwangari Bageri Mbasabu ne chairman yenu Inchebune chairman yenu mama eteni nganje transparent ande kitingo tiga na ande na kero monto no monto mana ase party bakatwa chora bya sana kire ward kire division kire nyomba yakora kiyanyora igetogo tebya abanyari bari ba mintumbi yamono asogo twara imani ase party ito ya ODM ntwarenge no deputy governor ito nero choru ne member togo tebambi yamono asogo jo atutarira ntwe toranda e governor group Paul Simbarati
Maria da Samu so gora ne dimbe ase chame ya ODM e chame ntanga na re consider mangana wa abantu wa disability ngosa ba ya sato igure chinche na ije mo saberani ikera para mafu torawa torrenje re kite chame era na motosi era ne rumu skesi Simbarati mbuyamono oso na baba oso uto anda abantu walimo simancho na shukuru barikiwe sana asante
hai kurukare norori na nje gonde committee member ya ODM kuruga Nyaribari chache na ende aya itoto kuana goetera so mheshimiwa Arati na alinga kero muntu muna kurwa olio choro omekishwa na kwari kurutiria abantu gochi ODM party egere baba bange naende to kuchwika sobo chorburia onyore ngabutole the largest party to work His Excellency the Governor Simbarati chikura landslide igomno to ko beta gati to no kurikuruti abande gochi ODM biamono obo chorbua ba obware ngo obo chorbua marembe nande nyasaye tigaba seseni abantu baito Nyaribari chache biamono disability